Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to delete collections on Facebook. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account, and then just head over to the three lines icon on the upper right corner. And then just here you'll be able to find this option that is saved. So head over to saved. And in here you can see I have already have a collections of mine, so I'm just heading over to that, and once I tap on it, it lands me on this page, and there is a three dots icon on just right beside add more. So tap on it, and here you will find the layout and can just delete collection by tapping delete collection. So once I tap it, this layout appears. So I tap on delete, and yeah, my collection is deleted. This is how you can do it too. We will see you in the next one.